Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is my first video. I'm kind of nervous. Today I'll be trying out 3 different viral nail arts. That's the velvet nail, 3D flower nail, and the 3D puffy nails. I'm starting off with the velvet nails. Isn't it just me that people are just calling things different these days? Literally, this is just cat-eye magnetic gel polish. Anyways, I used the blue jelly polish just to give that 2 coats because I think it's pretty. And then I followed up with the cat-eye polish in a similar blue glittery shade. Then I used the magnet to set the nail and cured that. Finish it off, I went in with a velvet top coat, but honestly it's really just matte top coat. I don't know why they gave it that name, but it's what I had on hand and decided to use it. And after doing that, the results came out pretty smooth, a soft look. 9 out of 10 on execution of completing this nail art. It was pretty easy. Next up, we have the 3D flower nail art. This was actually fun to do. I went in with a base coat and then I got some 3D carving gel that I bought from Temu. A haul is coming soon. I did buy a lot of stuff. And I just created some small balls of the modeling clay. And I started pressing the petals onto the nail. I don't know how well to explain all this, that's why I'm showing you, and I do apologize in advance. There are going to be some very blurry clips. I am figuring out how to best film nail art videos, especially the light being so bright you can't see some of the details. I'll figure it out, just give me a little bit of grace and time. Ultimately, the whole process just involved me forming and setting petals of how I want it to be, and I just blend it all together to make it seem seamless. I used some white gel polish just to add a little details in the middle, and then I grabbed myself some caviar beads to put also in the middle as, I don't know, what you call that part of the flower. A quick Google search said it's called a pistil. After arranging the caviar beads how I liked it, I gave that a quick cure and then a top coat, and then that was done. Execution, I'll give it an 8 out of 10. Ooh, this 3D puffy nail art gave me a run for my time and money. This is what I was trying to execute, and trust me, it started off strong, but it did give me a hard time when I started to create the puffy effect. I chose this design because St. Patrick's Day is around the corner and I figured that it will be pretty cool, and I haven't seen it done. So yeah, this is what I went for. I did a quick outline of the clovers on the nail, just making sure that they're proportionate, and then I went over it a couple times just to darken it up so it's easier to see. Next up was to create the slip layer for the black piece, and I just outlined that, just, you know, I guess make sure that it is where it's supposed to be. And then I went in with a UV gel and mixed that in to actually create the puffy effect. From this moment onward, you'll just see what I do and how everything is executed. I don't really know how to explain it. You'll see. And again, sorry for the blurriness. I will do better. The whole process took a lot of layering to build up the puffy effect, but I could see the vision coming alive, but it really did take forever to do. Either way, I think it came out pretty neat. I'm probably tweaking it a little bit so that it'll be much better, but overall I'll give the execution a 7 out of 10. Those are my 3 trendy nail art looks. Let me know your favorite in the comments and tell me what trend I should try next. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!